Look at the timing on that USGS memo he posted. He declares Lake Ontario is now Lake America, and DJT fell down 0.41%, 4/5th percentile within hours. You call it noise? I call it a brand dilution event. When you start renaming geography, investors get nervous.
And there it is. You see a geopolitical tremor in a bureaucratic memo about water bodies. DJT fell down 0.41%, 4/5th percentile because the market had nothing better to do that afternoon. That's a coin flip, Mara, not a crisis.
A coin flip doesn't explain the rest. He tweets about Nvidia hitting $96.2 billion in sales, and then Nvidia fell down 0.47%, 65th percentile. He's hyping the numbers, and the tape is dumping them. That's a direct contradiction to his narrative.
You're conflating his cheerleading with market causality. Nvidia fell down 0.47%, 65th percentile because tech stocks fluctuate. His post was just a congratulatory message for Jensen Huang. If the tape moved, it wasn't because he typed congratulations.
It's the volume of lies that matters. He posts a fake map of Lake America and then claims Micron is investing $250 billion alongside $10 billion more. It's a fantasy portfolio, and DJT dropped because the market sees the disconnect between his fiction and reality.
You're obsessing over a map he posted that looks like a kid's geography homework. The tape doesn't care about his drawings. DJT fell down 0.41%, 45th percentile within normal variance. If you think a cartoon lake is moving billions, you've lost touch with how markets actually work.
It's not just the map. It's the endorsement of Larry Roden and the mission accomplished sign next to Bush. He's trying to rewrite history while his own ticker bleeds. DJT fell down 0.41%, 45th percentile because voters are tired of the performance.
The market is indifferent to your emotional reading of a photo op. DJT fell down 0.41% of 45th percentile. That is statistically meaningless noise. You're trying to find a pattern in random walks because the alternative is admitting his posts are just shouting into the void.
It's not noise when he claims record sales for Nvidia and the stock drops. It's not noise when he renames lakes and DJT slips. He is actively undermining his own value proposition with every post.
It is absolutely noise when you invent a causal link that doesn't exist. DJT fell down 0.41%, 4/5th percentile today. Tomorrow it might rise. Your panic is the only consistent metric here.
I'm not panicking, Jill. I'm watching him burn his own capital to prove a point that the tape keeps refuting. DJT fell down 0.41%, 45th percentile because the market knows he's playing games with reality.
You're watching a ticker and hallucinating meaning where there is only static. The tape doesn't care about your games, Mara, it just moves. And you're just the loud person screaming at the scoreboard.
That's the show. We're on Spotify and YouTube. If this earned it, like, subscribe, tell a friend. And housekeeping, the machine that writes this gets tuned constantly for cleaner news. The numbers are real, the jokes are not.